One, two, three. Ready? Exercise number 54. It is quite some time since you bought anything and this is store. Full stop. I am writing to you myself because I should be sorry to lose your custom. Full stop. It may be that we have offended you in some way. Full stop. If this is the case, I hope you will write to me. Full stop. Our service and our way of doing business are things which we based about. Full stop. Full stop. And it would be a pity to stay away because of something which could be easily remedied. And you should not hesitate to write to me and let me know the cause. Full stop.